How many languages do Indonesian people speak?
Oh wow, that's a lot. Like I am from West Java, and then I am Sundanese, and then I speak like my local language, which is Sundanese, and then we have like Indonesian language, and then also like with Balinese, they have their own language, which is I cannot even speak Balinese. Like I don't understand Balinese. I then there are like so many local language.
By saying so many language, I guess it's been 711 language, which make Indonesia rank number 2 among the top 10 most multilingual countries. But why does Indonesia have so many language? Well, Indonesia is home to hundreds of language, mainly due to its unique geographic and historical background. With over 177,000 islands, many communities developed in isolation is cultivating their own language. Additionally, historical kingdoms in an empire that once ruled different parts of Indonesia, introducing their own language as well. Besides, that the strategic location of Indonesia on ancient trade route like the maritime Silk Road also significantly influenced its linguistic diversity. Indonesian ports such as those in the Spice Island, Maluku, became melting pot of cultural and linguistic exchange. Traders from around the world, including Arab merchants, Chinese sailors, and European colonists, brought their language with them. Over time, this foreign language mixed with the local dialects, enriching Indonesian linguistic landscape. For example, many Indonesian language today still include Dutch vocabulary from the colonial period like this.
Cart,
Kartu,
jerican,
jerigen,
sausage,
sosis,
cart,
karcis,
syrup,
sirup,
tante,
tante,
marmot,
marmut,
potlot,
potlot,
ballpen.
bolpen.
Dutch vocabulary literally translates would mean bank pot. Now it's pipe or pot, and when the car is in use, you know it makes a bang sound. And what about the Indonesian language family? Indonesian language families are primarily divided into two families, Austronesian and non-Austronesian. The Austronesian language like Javanese and Balinese. Some original language like Javanese and Balinese retain their unique writing systems. These scripts are intricate works of art. They are still used today for cultural and religious ceremonies, linking into Indonesian rich history and heritage. As spoken by millions and having words tracing back to Taiwan, featuring similar structure and vocabularies. In contrast, the North Austronesian language found most in remote eastern Indonesia like Papua, vary greatly even with a small region, and the linguistic diversity and cultural diversity reaches its cultural identity and boosts tourism. Traditional ceremonies and performance are deeply interred with local language, adding depth and meaning to cultural expressions. We can see that from Japanese, wayang puppet theater or Balinese kecak dance. However, imagine if Indonesia member family, but each member spoke a different language thing. How would they communicate and unite? After gaining independence from the Netherlands in 1945, Indonesia recognized the need for a unifying language. The choice was Bahasa Indonesia, a variant of Malay chosen for its naturally and whispered use as a lingua franca throughout throughout the archipelago, bahasa Indonesia is the key. It's the official language for government, school, news, everything. Think of it as the national translator app. This strategic decision has helped promote national unity and reduce ethnic tensions. Nowadays, Indonesia is spoken by over 94% of the population, but it is a primary language of only 20% of the population. Japanese or Java is the most common primary language spoken by over 15% of the population. So, if you learn Indonesia or you're curious about the language that units these vast island kingdoms, click the link on the description to get a free trial of the Indonesian Cast and start learning today. I'll see you in the next video.